One of the rituals that separates us humans from the monkeys is grooming ourselves in public. But with the new modern workplace, you can groom yourself from anywhere. And people can now groom themselves while working and simultaneously work and groom themselves while getting ready to go to work. But in a video or audio call, you don't want to be that person who wrecks the conversation by introducing background noise while not muted. Whether it's screaming children, barking dogs, highway noise, or an electric shaver, all you should hear are people talking, letting the conversation take front and center. So that's why BlueJeans integrated Dolby Voice technology to filter out the background noise. So all you hear is the conversation. BlueJeans with Dolby Voice uses an advanced AI technology to hear just the voices and keeps the rest of the call perfectly quiet, without needing to mute while you're not talking. That's what makes BlueJeans with Dolby Voice the meetings platform for the modern workplace. Now, while I finish shaving, I will recite the first verse of Neil Diamond's Forever in BlueJeans. Money talks, but it don't sing and dance, and it don't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in BlueJeans. And that is the shaver test.